Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to our journey for learning Python for AI agentic development. We have covered loops, while loops, and now we are going to power up with a extra achievement in the field of loops, and that is break and continue statements inside the loops of Python. What are they? Let me give you a simple example for continue and break statements in a loop. So, for example, you are picking up a bag of yours from an airport conveyor belt. So, these conveyor belts go on a loop. They go round and round with all the luggage of every passenger, and you keep a keen eye on all of the bells, all of the luggages. And when you identify that your baggage has come, you just pick it up. And then your keen eye just stops navigating and identifying process on the conveyor belt and go out to the immigration. It's like you are, that is what you do when you make a break statement in a loop. So what you do is, let me give you an example of that in a code. Yes, for example, you say uh, for baggages in range, or sorry, for baggage in all the baggages in airport, if baggage is equal to my baggage, then you say break. That means now I don't have to keep on putting a keen eye on the conveyor belt and checking each of the bag, that is it mine or not. I have got my bag and now my process is going to break. Okay, and what is the continue process? Continue process is like, if baggage is equal to, for example, it's even not a bag, it's a parcel, and you for sure know that I haven't bring any parcel from my departure city. So whenever a parcel come, you skip your eye from that. You don't even give it a glance. So to save your memory and energy from checking each of the items. So you, when are faced with a parcel, what you do? You continue. That means no decision has to be taken here. Just skip this one and check for the next one. This is how exactly the continue and break statements in a while loop work. I have given you a real life example, and you now we can apply that in a programming scene, programming arena, and make our life easier. I have designed this code, but for sure when I will enter it, it will give us a name error because we are using variables here which we haven't assigned. Okay, which we haven't assigned. See the baggages. Where are these baggages you are talking about? Python will say. So I was just giving you an example how to debug the code. Also, you have to first initiate or create those variable in order to use this. For example, you can say baggage is anything which is square. Okay, and baggages, or sorry, baggages is the array in which we have to search for this loop. So we have to initiate that list in which we have to search for. So you will say a blue bag a red bag, a brown bag. So these are the bags which are passing by from you on the conveyor belt, just for example. And now when we have initiated that, you can use them, but still it will give you an error because there is no such thing as parcel. So you will say parcel is equal to square box. Let us add that also here. Okay, and my baggage is equal to the red. Okay, so what we are now doing is that we are searching in all of these baggages by making a loop here, the red baggage, which is ours. And for sure we know that the square boxes aren't in the list of our baggages which we have bring from our departure city. So whenever those came by, we are going to skip them for sure. This is what we do